Hi friends, in this video we can check how we can create a WhatsApp chatbot with WhatsApp Cloud API. You can use this for your website or your business purposes. This is the website which we are created and a WhatsApp icon is already available on the website. So if a customer click on that particular option for on a product detail page, so if a customer click on a WhatsApp option and they can send us the messages like this, so an automated message will be sent to the customer about that product like this. You can see an intro and all these things, a welcome message to the customer. All these are automated chatbots. So if the customer click on the details section, they can see the product features and all these things, and if they click on the next step, they can buy the product, and if they click on the video option, they will get an automated video. All these things are automatically done on our website. So the customer can see the product video here like this, and if the customer want to purchase, they can purchase from the video itself. And now the next option is when they click on the buy now option, they will get a checkout option message like this, and when they click on that, it will take them to the billing section of our website, and they can complete the payment and they can complete the checkout. Once they place the order has been finished. Like this, you can create supporting chatbots also. If the customer asks for an installation video, so we can send this message to the customer like this. They can view the video of the product, and like this we can set up the profile of our WhatsApp, and all these things are with Cloud API and WooSMS. We require these items to create this like type of chatbots. So we already created a video on how to create how to get the WhatsApp Business Cloud API. So you can watch that video first. If you have Cloud API, then go to the WooSMS website and you can check all the features of this website. And once you check and read all these things, you can go to the WhatsApp option, and here you can log in. Click on login, and here you can sign up or log in with your Google account, and this is your dashboard. And click on bot replies, click on list and create new bot. You can create simple bot reply, media bot reply, and advanced bot reply. So if you click on the simple bot reply, you can give a name for your simple bot reply, and you can add the chat. You can use the trigger type and the trigger subject, etc. So the subject is something like the customer asks for you to support. So you can just add with commas like this, and you can add all the words, and you can check all the replay text and all these things and click on submit. Okay, now you need to add the trigger type, so you can use the contains option. You can select the contains option. So if any of these words are available on the customer's chat, then this message will be shown to the customer. That's the basic idea. The next thing is you can create a media replay. So media bot reply, click on there, and you can add a name for the new bot reply, and you can choose the header type as video. You can also use the PDF or audio option. Okay, now you can upload your video here, and you can add the caption text here. You can also use the following variables for caption, like first name, last name, etc. And you can choose the trigger type, select the contains option, and you can add all the trigger subject like this with commas. Okay, you can use all these things and click on submit. Okay, you don't need any WhatsApp permission or anything from the cloud API. You can just simply create the bot reply, that's all. Now we can create a bot flow. Click on the flow option, click on add new bot flow, and you can give a title for the bot flow, and you can add the trigger subject. You can add any subject, add about your product or something like that, and select the flow builder option. Here you can add a new reply, advanced bot reply, and you can add all these things, the chat options and reply buttons, etc. And you can add the button labels. You can add any type of labels. Button 1, 3 options are currently available, so you can use all these 3 options. So you can add all these things and click on submit. Once you click on submit, you can see your chatbot here, so you can rearrange it and you can see all the chat options. So you can just drag and drop a line to that chatbot, and now you can see 3 options: buy now, details, video. So we can create a new chatbot for each. So before that, you need to save the data which you have added. Now just create a new chatbot. Make sure always to start with the advanced mode reply for this chatbot flow. Okay, now you can add your reply text for buy now option, and you can use the URL button for checkout, and you can add your website URL. Once you are done that, you can just create another chatbot for buy now, and you can select that, draw a line like this. You can create the details tab, create a new bot reply. Make sure to click on save for after creating a chatbot. Okay, now we can create another bot reply. So create a reply for the details tab. So you can add the reply buttons. You can create any type of chatbot. This is for my requirement, and your requirement may be different, so you can create your chatbot according to your requirement. Okay, you can just copy it and you can drag the line. You can rearrange the chatbots like this, and you can just draw the lines like this. Okay, and like this you can create the video chatbots. You can upload the video, and you can select the button labels, add your button labels like this. If you want, you can add the URL and click on submit, and you can arrange it to any position, and you can just draw the lines. If you want, you can delete the lines also by just simply click on the lines, and you can delete the drawing lines. Once you are done that, click on save. Okay guys, now our chat flow is completed like this. You can also create your own chatbots. And now go to your WordPress dashboard and go to the plugin section, and you can install this free plugin. Click to chat and you can activate the plugin. Then you can add this, go to the settings area, and you can add your WhatsApp number there, and you can customize all the textures and all the color, style, etc. there. You can change all these tabs. All these things you can just customize according to your requirement. If you want, you can disable on the particular pages for the WhatsApp option. After that, click on save changes. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.